I'm going to show you how to motion track in After Effects. This technique is helpful in a number of ways, but for this example I'm going to use the most basic tracking. Import the files you want to use. Go to Layer, New, Null Object. Go to Tracker. If you can't find it, go to Window, Tracker. At Motion Source, choose your footage. This will open up a new window here. Choose Track Motion. You get this track point. The trick here is to choose a high contrast bit of the footage. This is the area where it will search for your point. The bigger you make this, the longer it will take to track. Click here and it will analyze your whole footage. Click Edit Target and choose your null object. Click Apply and click OK. You're back at your main comp. Now I will put the logo where I want it and then I parent it to the null object.